Hey, so I guess welcome to my first quick video on my YouTube channel. My name is Alan Avila, and today I will show you an application called Icaros, or actually, I don't know how you guys want to pronounce it, but let's go into my desktop. So this is Icaros 3.2.0. So what it does is it basically allows all these applications right here. If you have the program that is intended for them installed, then it'll show the thumbnail. Does that make sense? Well, I'm gonna just show it to you guys. All right, so download Icaros right here. I'm gonna just download it. So I just moved it to my desktop right here. This is the application, Icaros 3.2.0. Run it as an administrator. I'm just press next until I have it installed. There you go. Just kind of just install everything. I'm gonna create a desktop and then just install everything. And I'm gonna just launch Icaros. You can actually just click activate Icaros and it will just work, but I'll show the application itself. So welcome to Icaros GUI. I'm gonna just make it a dark theme, keep it on English. I'm gonna click continue. You guys have all these settings right here. Change the UI. You can drag and drop the files that doesn't have the thumbnails yet. If you guys are actually asking, Alan, what are thumbnails? Well, as you can see here, I do have a sample, right? As you can see, I do have my intro file right here. And then I'm just click properties. It says .mov. This works. All of these files works. And it doesn't have its thumbnail. This is another video. I think it's an MP4 video or MKV apparently. So another MKV, I suppose, in this one. And they all don't have their thumbnails. Even if I set the launcher that I want, in this case, VLC, or the program that I want, play them with. Now, as you can see, we also have some Photoshop, Illustrator, and a dimension file, and they all just show the, the typical Adobe thumbnails. And right here is a normal video that is working already and shows you the thumbnail. As you can see, it is a .mp4 and it just works fine. This one is all right. We don't need to fix that one. Now right here, let's go back to Icaros. What you can do is basically just go here on presets, go to most known, and then you just want to activate it. And everything's fixed. I'm just activate all of these as well. The cache, the properties for everything, and for the cache as well. Just to keep them always showing up. And there we go. Everything's just working fine. Now, as you can see, it doesn't show the dimension. So what we're just going to do is drag them here. One new file type added. Shows you that. Just worked as a snap of finger, dragging it here, and then shows you the thumbnail. Well, that is everything on this Icaros program. I'll be having this like a weekly thing, like a quick video about a certain application that actually kind of just helps you or enhance your Windows experience on your Windows desktop or laptop, or I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, Alan Avila, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.